Hey, what's up everyone? How's it going? This is TouRon TV and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to use YouTube for background music playback on iOS. I'm pretty sure that everyone knows that videos on YouTube is gonna pause the moment that you leave the app. Apparently iOS has set some restrictions on playing YouTube in the background. So I'm here to show you the workaround and how to do it. Probably the reasons or advantages on doing this trick are the following. Number 1. YouTube videos can be played while your phone is locked. Number 2. It's gonna help you save your battery life. Number 3. You're gonna enjoy playing music playlists on YouTube while navigating to other social media applications. And number 4, other people won't be able to snoop into your private messages when you leave your phone playing YouTube videos. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is to open Safari and navigate to youtube.com. Alright, now we're going to look up the video that you want played in the background. So I'm gonna try blog no copyright music playlist. Okay, alright, so we're gonna tap on the video that we want to play and I'm selecting this video right here. Alright, so I'm gonna pause the video. And now I'm going to tap on this double A icon right here, or text. Okay, now from here, we're going to select Request Desktop Website. Alright, so now the mobile version of the YouTube has been shifted to a desktop version. So the next thing that we're going to do is to tap on play. Now we're gonna leave the app and the video will stop playing at this point, but don't worry. We're gonna bring up the control center by swiping up from the bottom or from the bottom edge if you're using an iPhone X or the latter versions. Now from here, hit the play button right here and it should resume where it stopped. Alright, so we're gonna stop the video and let's do it again. Let's open the Safari. Let's navigate to youtube.com. Search for the video that you want to be played in the background. Tap on this double A on the upper left corner. Select Request Desktop Website. Play the video and leave the app. Your video is gonna stop playing at this point. So we're gonna bring up the control center by swiping up from the bottom. Hit the play button. And that should be it. Alright, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe on my channel now and hit the notification bell so you can get more videos like this. If you have any thoughts, just comment down below and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.